What's up, Dashers? Welcome back. I'm the Dashing Trader, and on this channel, we on a mission to make sure that you maximize using gig apps like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, and the rest. And we got a special celebration. If you're watching this video, that means I just hit 200 subscribers, and I want to say thank you. Big thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subs, all my long-time subscribers. I want to say thank you. Thank you for viewing my videos. Thank you for engaging in my content. And be sure there are more videos coming on the way. We got more no tipper confrontations, and we definitely gonna have more ride-alongs. Thank you guys. I've been out for 3 hours already, and I've made a total of 60 bucks, so not bad for the morning time. That's still 20 bucks an hour using DoorDash and Uber Eats. I did turn on Instacart. I got one batch that was decent, but as soon as I was getting ready to accept it, I got 2 better offers on DoorDash and Uber Eats. So that kind of made me not be able to do that Instacart order. So that was that. But all in all, still a great morning though. Still maximized, still earned, still don't need no W-2 job, and that's the most important part. When I started this channel, you know, I didn't really know what direction I wanted to take it.
Stop it.
But quickly I realized that I wanted to make this educational channel more directed towards DoorDash, and I want to use this platform to help drivers make more money, help drivers maximize, and especially new drivers, because when I was new, I only had Pedro. He's the only guy I knew on YouTube, and I was watching him, and I got all my tips and tricks from him, you know, and he really gave me some guidance on how to maximize and make money out here. So I want to be that person for the next new Dasher out there and help you maximize and make some money, because time is money.